Hey guys, we're out here. We're doing a quick vlog of some lessons, pushing the boys on some waves today. All right, let's see who gets the best wave.
Yeah, the competition is on.
The competition's on.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sensei Brandon, we're ready.
So,
Sensei.
the things you want to learn, it's going to be shallow, and we'll stand up and push you guys on waves. Things you really want to focus on is your paddling, and your positioning on the board.
It went black.
It went black, yeah, that's good. Positioning in the waves.
Alright, cool.
So I'm going
Paddling and position.
yeah.
That's two
So let's go into class. First thing first, I want you guys to understand the mechanics of what's going on. Underneath the water you have depth and then a sudden uprise in the subterranean. Right? And what's happening is when the water comes up, it forces it out of its regular placement. And that's what we're trying to catch. The goal is to get the speed of the wave, which is just energy from the ocean. Could be from wind, it could be from changing tides, it could be from many things. But the focus is you want to just get up to the speed of the wave, and what you'll find is you're now able to move with the wave. That's when you put your hands on the board, pop up, and try to ride it to the beach.
Alright.
So next up, I'm going to show you guys how to do a pop-up right here.
In the sun?
In the sun. You want like a general feel of, and I'm going to make you guys get some muscle memory.
No, I'm only see that from like
Video.
TV or something. I'm not supposed to say, because a boom, flick up, then bam, and that's it.
That's kind of like,
Feel like a
that's
confidence
the general idea.
That doesn't seem easy.
So
Ready?
like people
let's-
will pop up and capsize?
You can, if you don't position your hands right. So the general principle is, because we're not going to do it on the boards. These are fiberglass.
Yeah, I don't want to break it.
You can ding them. So the general principle is, you're laying down, right? You're going to paddle. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Bring your hands back to your chest. Right? Up. Well, that's downward or upward? Yeah, downward dog.
Upward down.
Upward
Greetings,
dog.
salutation to the sun.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Upward dog, and then you guys don't know, any of you skate, or you
Yes.
know which you skate? Which foot is it?
I'm goofy.
So you would, when you go up, you would chicken wing with the leg that you're going to keep at the back. Okay. Right? Then raise this knee to your chest and slide back.
Side back.
Keep your knees bent.
So boom.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
You know your foot that should be at the back. You have an idea.
That one is stronger for me still.
Yeah,
Alright.
No?
Yeah, look back still. Look on the hip.
Yeah.
Focus on the top of it.
Yeah.
No, you must see which foot you land with.
No,
so
I'm
that we
right
know.
foot. No, man, I'm right
No,
foot.
just
stronger.
trust me. It's a trust exercise, Pedro.
What that? What's that? Yeah, that's
So,
it.
right foot in
Right
front
foot
for you.
in front.
Yeah, but that's when I get up a while ago, I said no, I can't.
So we are both the same thing.
I'm
So you're a goofy footer.
I'm getting messing no, I can't.
Goofy's rock.
Alright.
I'm a goofy footer. It means you prefer, you're typically on yeah, we're all goofy.
Yeah, we're all goofy.
We're a goofy goober, yeah. We're a goofy goober. Alright.
So, you do the same thing, chicken wing, and I wanted to show you something.
Oh,
go back down.
Oh, I see why it named chicken wing now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I like a wings.
Yeah. So paddling, yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
Feet are here. Paddling, 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 paddling. Chicken wing. Right. Knee to your chest. No. Nope. this knee to your chest. Right.
And then lean.
But you want the foot to be crossing.
Brother, enough.
Enough muscle
This
memory.
is a lot of muscle.
We're going to do it like 15 times.
Coordination.
We're going to do it like 15 times, and you will, like, by the time I'm done,
I think this
you'll just,
Yo.
it'll feel natural to just pop up. Yeah, when your arms are here, you can push the board this way and the board will go that way. You can push the board this way, so your arms are your control.
Oh,
And the toe is the anchor.
And the toe is the anchor, and the fin itself will actually slow down the board.
Alright, cool. Alright. Just in the middle.
Chest in the middle of the string.
Alright.
Right? And generally your feet should be around the tail of the board.
Alright, cool. I'm at 9. Well, 6 more. Me have 6 more.
I don't know when I start to breathe. No.
Alright, we're going to simulate it a little more now. So I'm going to say up, 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 and that's when you pop up. Alright, so you're paddling, you're paddling, you're paddling, up, 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 up. Alright, cool.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal.
You good, my boy? You good, my boy? My boy, turn the ball. Hey, boy, my boy. You good? Oh, you can't touch the floor, so that's why you're being. That's why you look so. You can't touch the floor. Alright. Good, my boy? Man, I forgot. No, yo, I'm vlogging, bro. Don't curse, bro.
Shut up.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
On my fake. I don't give a f what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police, straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting